Eternal darkness takes over my life. Eternal darkness is in my life. I think the cat got out of the washing machine, but now that I'm a machine, and everyone knows that I'm innocent. Nobody knows a goddamn enough like me. I'm sick and tired of being so fucking ruthless. I'm sorry, Lord, but I think I fucking bear you as a fucking infant. It's not my fault. I can fucking hurt myself. I can fucking hurt myself. I'm so sad, but I feel the fucking darkness. It's an endless darkness. Circle cycle all over the fucking everybody give a fuck. I'm in the fucking spotlight at 12 that fucking night. Circle fucking cycle again. Nobody will give a fuck for it. It'll let my fucking life is fun now. Let it fucking mess with me. Not now, let it fucking mess with me. Well, I'm still fucking bored. But fuck off, I don't have anything else to do. Fucking off the video, fucking off the video. This endless darkness.